Ever felt like saving money on minimum wage is just impossible? Yeah, me too. But in the past 12 months, I managed to save over $10,000 while working a job that paid me just $14 an hour. Here's exactly how I did it, and how you can too. Part 1. Mindset shift. It all started with a mindset shift. I stopped thinking of myself as broke and started thinking of myself as building, not poor, not behind, just in blueprint mode. That shift changed everything. Part 2. Tracking every penny. Next, I tracked every dollar, every single one. I used a free app to log my income and expenses. What I found? I was bleeding money on things like $8 coffee, late fees, and fast food. So I set a rule. Every dollar gets a job before I spend it. Part 3. The $5 rule. This one's weird, but hear me out. Every time I got a $5 bill, I saved it. No exceptions. By the end of the year, that habit alone saved me over $900. It didn't feel like a sacrifice, just a game I was winning. Part 4. Living way below my means. I moved into a cheaper apartment. I cooked 90% of my meals at home. I canceled subscriptions I didn't use. And instead of upgrading my phone, I downgraded on purpose. People thought I was crazy, but I was focused on something they couldn't see: freedom. Part 5. Side hustle stack. I didn't stop at my main job. I picked up 2 side hustles, DoorDash on weekends and freelance writing at night. I used 100% of that money to save, not spend. Was I tired? Yes, but I knew it was temporary. I wasn't lucky. I wasn't rich. I was just tired of being broke. And I had a blueprint. If you're in the same place I was, know this. It's not about how much you make. It's about what you keep and how hard you're willing to work for yourself. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're building your own broke blueprint. More stories, more strategies, more ways to flip your blueprint into freedom. This is the Broke Blueprint. See you in the next one.